Guide to categories of fire signage and fire safety signs. Most of us take the presence of fire safety signs for granted. But whilst we may not pay attention to them on a typical day, in a real emergency they can be the difference between life and death. That's exactly why they are a crucial element of any business's fire safety strategy. Discover the various categories of fire signage today. What are the categories of fire signage? The different types of fire safety signs that businesses must have include the following. 1. Mandatory signs. These signs indicate steps people must take to comply with fire regulations, which are designed to safeguard occupants. An example of a mandatory sign is a "Fire door keep shut" notice. 2. Warning signs. These signs are required to make people aware of the presence of flammable materials. For example, a store cupboard that contains potentially dangerous liquids. 3. Safe condition signs. These signs indicate fire escape routes, fire assembly points and first aid equipment to guide occupants dealing with an emergency and escaping the building. 4. Fire exit signs. These signs are required in order to highlight the location of fire exits so those escaping the building quickly know which door to head for. 5. Fire equipment signs. These notices direct people to the location of firefighting equipment such as extinguishers or fire hoses and also fire alarm activation areas. Depending on the layout of your building, this may not be required if the equipment itself is highly visible. 6. Supplementary information signs. To provide further instruction. These signs include information such as directional arrows or text to expand on neighboring notices. 7. Prohibition signs. Signs that fall into this category include "No smoking" notices. These messages outline a prohibited action that could increase the risk of a fire. It's vital that everyone in a building is aware of their nearest fire exit, escape routes and where to find firefighting equipment. Fire signage is essential in guiding the occupants of your business premises when a fire breaks out.